I am in the car again and I'm headed out of Manila. We just arrived yesterday night, 2 a.m. like this past night, 2 a.m. But now I'm headed out again because tomorrow we'll join the first ever Tough Mudder race in the Philippines. We just start with a 5K, a group of people, it's the first race, so 5K should be enough for the first time. And I have to drive down to Alabang to pick up our race kit, because Tough Mudder didn't come back to me. I wrote emails and I twittered at them, Tough Mudder, answer the emails. So now I have to pick up the race kit here in the Alabang Lifestyle Center, or how it's called. Being back in Manila, being back home, is also a nice thing. I like traveling though, but it gives you a sense of belonging, a sense of home, and that's a nice thing. There's nothing negative, nothing sissy about it. If you like to be home, if you like to be with your family, that's a beautiful thing. I pretty much enjoy this now, to be back in my own bed, with my own Wi-Fi, even though now I'm in Alabang. I just arrived here, by the way. It seems to be a very fancy mall. Here? Hello. Yes, here to play my race kit?
Our race kit's
here. There. Okay, I just learned that we start tomorrow at 8:45 because I still thought we start at 6 and we have to meet at 5. That means our whole plan changed, but very positively. So we don't have to go to bed early. We can just be here around 8 tomorrow morning and to start our race. Right. Alright, salamat.
Sir, please sign here. Per page.
Oh, per page? That was a long ride for a short experience here. But now I'm going to get myself a coffee because I love coffee so much. And I come back tomorrow with our group to run the race. I'm really pretty much looking forward to that. Hello.
I was making my way across town, trying to get to you. I've been keeping my phone on no sound, facing you out, that's true. Now I get butterflies just thinking about your eyes, and that can't be all bad.
That was good.
Things came up, things went down, maybe turn back around. My spider sense screaming that I'm mad. A big storm blew up.
I'm back here at home. I started here at around 1 and now it's 5:30. So this is a lot of hours I spent just to pick up our t-shirts and stuff. Color Manila, Tough Mudder. Just a simple tip for the next years. Make it a little bit easier to pick up the stuff. I'm so much looking forward to tomorrow. So hit the like button if you like this video, and if not, just do it anyways because it actually makes a difference. And consider subscribing for more content about Filipino culture, culture in general, and motivational content. And I see you tomorrow. I'm really excited to take you along to the Tough Mudder, the first Tough Mudder in the Philippines. Good night. See you tomorrow.